kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen, guys. What we want to simply say to you, we're going to make you a nice, lovely breakfast meal. Anyway, the breakfast meal is going to be toast bread and a poached egg and also avocado. It's a really nice, lovely, simple breakfast you can have in the morning, guys. But before you can do anything, what you need to do, this is the avocado and this is the bread. So basically you need to get a nice, lovely bread like this one, and simple. Okay, you guys can see exactly what's going on. Nice one. Let's look at that, guys. Beautiful, fresh and nice, homemade. I get this one from the bakery. Well, I could make my own bread, you know what I mean? I make them all the time. But as you can see, really fresh and nice. Simple. Get a nice, lovely thick slice. I want a thick slice. Oh, the bread knife is so sharp. Alright. As you can see, guys, you need a thick slice like this one, really thick. So what you're gonna do, basically, you're gonna toast this underneath the grill for roughly about until it gets brown and nice. So in the meantime, that's this toasting. We're gonna do the poached egg in the meantime also. Lovely recipe, nice and lovely. I just toast the bread, as you can see how the bread look, lovely and nice, warm and lovely. So in the meantime, we're gonna do our poached egg. So enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So right here I have a medium-sized pot on the stove. That's what you need, guys. You must have a medium-sized pot with some water inside of it. And as you can see, the prickling inside of the water is like you're getting boiled up. So basically you can use two things. You can use either white vinegar or lemon juice. People always have lemon, so we're gonna use lemon today. Squeeze half of a lemon inside of the water like this. Make sure you don't get the seed inside of it, just the juice. Well, sorry about that, guys. I did get a piece of a seed inside of it. So as you can see, that's the seed. You don't need the seed inside of it, but that's fine if the seed do get inside of it, alright? Don't worry yourself, we will get there. Lovely. Get one medium-sized egg or a large egg or a small egg, whatever egg you want to use. Pour it inside of the water like this. Crack it inside of a bowl like this, it's more easier for you to handle. Nice one. Take it at a time and simple. As you can see, exactly what's going on right there. In the meantime, get your pear ready. Your avocado. In Jamaica they call it pear. And as you can see, the way that looking lovely and nice. Wow, that's beautiful. That is excellent. So as you can see, this is finished. So basically, turn off our stove, put this at the side. That's so you guys can see. That's the bread. That's the bread right there, which we just toast. Simple Ah, lovely and nice. Then get your avocado. This is a nice, lovely breakfast, guys, and I'm telling you, that is beautiful. Simply get a little bit of salt, rock salt, and a little bit of pepper. This is a nice, lovely breakfast, guys. All you need to do is have that with a nice, lovely cup of a tea or something really nice what you might like. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. As you can see, toast bread served with poached egg and avocado. Beautiful recipe. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Bye. You can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and remember, Christmas we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorrel. So a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.